All right, look at that. Some cold going right down the Allegheny River as we're heading into the afternoon hours. Things starting to wrap up rain-wise as well. In fact, the airport is showing just overcast conditions at this point, but the rain has come to an end there. We are expecting winds basically out of the southeast. We're saying south-southeast at upwards of 15 miles an hour, and that's about where we are at 12 miles an hour. So it's a little breezy out there as we're kind of wrapping up all of this rain that we were expecting to see. Barometers at 30/1800ths of an inch, and the dew point is now at 45 degrees. Still on the dry side when it comes to us expecting any rain. That was one of the reasons why this rain that we've seen over the past couple of days has been kind of on the light side. We just didn't see a lot of moisture moving in at the surface, and without that, makes it pretty tough to get those rain showers going. Here's a look at temperatures starting to warm up, and you can really start to see where it's still kind of lightly raining. Places like Somerset and the Bedford area still into the mid-30s and 40s. 51 in Denora, 52 in Washington, and Pittsburgh coming in 51 degrees. Even with the cloud cover in place, I do think high temperatures will hit the 60-degree range today. We'll be even warmer than that as we're heading into your Saturday. Here's a look at those rain totals, and they are on the light side. We had a chance of hitting upwards of 3/10 of an inch of rain. And even though the rain started to fall last night, most of it came in the morning hours today. Just 0.12 of an inch is all the Pittsburgh area has recorded. So we told you, hey, this is going to be some very light rain that we're looking at. We didn't expect to see that much in the way of rain totals, but it was even smaller than what we were expecting to see. Rain showers, well, they were possible. They're out of here now. 60 degrees, your expected high temperature today. Here's how I think the rest of the day is going to look. You can see those temperatures way up there. 58 at 2, 4 o'clock temperature 59 degrees. And in the overnight hours, we fall into the mid-40s is what it looks like at this point. Here's radar. I know everyone's waiting to see that because they want to see where all the rain is. You can start to see on the turnpike heading towards the Bedford area. We still have some light rain, a couple of isolated showers around the Akron area as well. But as we zoom out, put in that area of low pressure, you can really start to see kind of what's going on. Area of low pressure continues to move to the east. It takes all the moisture with it. Drier conditions, but still just as warm. In fact, warmer weather just off to our west. This is one of those times where our cold front is really just a separation between the moisture ahead and drier conditions in the back. In fact, the air mass is going to be in place over the weekend, actually warmer than what we have been seeing. So the rain moves out of here. We'll be looking at high temperatures tomorrow. Come again, we'll go all the way into the afternoon hours, into the mid, maybe even the upper 60s. And then your Sunday temperatures, highs right around 74 degrees. Notice the moisture, though, moving in, maybe even a thunderstorm or two as we're heading into the overnight hours that we'll certainly be watching very closely for. So overall, yeah, we had a solid chance for some rain today, but the rest of the day is looking plenty dry. Another chance for rain both Sunday and Monday. And then also on Thursday of next week, we'll have a chance for some rain. Here's your 7-day outlook. 60, your high today. We're going to push the high up to about 68 for Saturday, 74 on Sunday, but we will have that chance for a couple of thunderstorms late. Monday high 75, and on Tuesday, check that out, 77 with a lot of sunshine as well. A lot of folks have been saying, hey, where's spring? There's spring right there.
Yeah.
Finally showed up on the 7-day.
Exactly.
We'll be happy to see that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rob.
All right.